Good morning, students. Welcome to SRPS Online Studies. Today, we are going to start our chapter number 15 of class 8, that is chemical effects of electric current. Yes, the students, you all know about that. What is electric current? Yes. So, what we know about is electric current. So, what you have to know about we can say that the movement of electrons constitutes an electric current. So, we can say that what is electric current? The movement of electrons. Okay. Now in this chapter we are going to know about that in this electric current who are conductors, who are insulators, what is the direction of the electric current, what is conduction, what is insulators. Okay, so in that context, first of all, our topic is conduction. Okay, so what is this? Conduction of electricity. Students, we all know about it. Similar to many solids, some liquids also conduct electricity. So what is conductor? Let's see. So substances which allow electricity to pass through them, we all know that they are called conductors. Okay, so the examples are silver, gold, acidic solutions, salt solutions, etc. Okay, and who are insulators? Just opposite of the conductors, substances which do not allow electric current to pass through them, they are called insulators. Okay, so we can say that the examples are plastic, rubber, etc. Okay, students, understand conduction of electricity. We can say that conductors are those who can pass electricity and insulators are those do not electric current pass through them. Okay, now the next topic in this chapter is what is circuit tester. So in that we have to know about that what is the use of circuit tester. So we all know about it, to test whether the material is a good electric conductor or not. We all know at our home also see one tester is there by which we can see that in that particular substance the current is flowing or not. So in the same flow, here also, to test whether the material is a good electrical conductor or not, as for this we are using what? We are using circuit tester. Okay, now how to use a circuit tester? Step 1, what you have to make arrangements just like this, in which you have seen in the picture. You have to arrange the circuit in this form. Step 1, set up the circuit tester as shown above. Step 2, place the object between the open ends of the wire or crocodile clips. See students, in this diagram or in this picture, we can see that one battery is there and the battery have positive and negative terminal is there. One switch is there and two wire is there. We can connect it wire with positive and negative terminal, and the two open ends of the wire, in between them we have to connected any type of objects just one by one. Okay, now good conductor and bad conductors. Substances which allow electric current to pass through them, we can say that it is a good conductor of electricity, such as silver, gold, aluminium, etc. And some substance we all know, we had studied earlier also, this is the same context. So some substances also allows electric current to pass through them, but in a very little amount. Okay, so therefore we can say that it is a bad conductor of electricity. Okay. In fact, most of the substances allow electric current to pass through them under certain conditions. So instead of using terms conductors and insulators, good conductors and bad conductors terms are used. See here, electrical conductors. Electrical conductors are materials that allow electric current to flow through them. So these are the examples you have seen in the pictures. Copper, silver, aluminium, graphite, they all are the forms of electrical conductors. Now, what is the things is there? Here one activity, or we can say that as we say that the conduction through liquid topic is there in our book. So understand, for that we can have to do this type of things, this type of arrangements. Liquids which contain salt dissolved in them they can conduct electricity. So students, have you know that the distilled water can't conduct electricity, but the tap water conduct electricity. Why? Because in tap water all minerals and salts are present, but in distilled water no salts are present. So what they are saying is for the liquids, so the liquids which have salt dissolved in them, that type of liquids conduct electricity. Okay, and the conduction of electricity through a liquid can be tested using two electrodes and bulb. Okay, so as for this, see, but the conduction of electricity through the liquids which are the poor conductor cannot be tested, but conduction of electricity through such liquids can be tested using LED or magnetic compass needle. Okay students, they have given you the information that if you have a liquid and that in that liquid salt is present, so it conduct electricity easily. Okay, and you can tested it with the help of LED or magnetic compass also. So for this, what you have done, you need a compass needle, an empty matchbox, two electric cells, some wires, a plastic bottle cap and the liquid which is to be tested. So what you have to done as for this activity, keep the compass needle inside the empty tray of matchbox. Understand? And wrap a couple of rubber bands around it. Okay? You kept a magnetic compass inside the empty tray of matchbox and wrap a couple of rubber bands around it. Connect the wires to the battery and insert two wires in the liquid which is kept in the plastic bottle cap. Okay, so what you will observe? You will observe that when the current flows through the wire, there is a deflection in the compass needle also. So what this experiment shows you? This experiment shows us that the given liquid conducts electricity. In fact, magnetic compass needle can detect even feeble current. LED can also be used in place of compass needle. Okay, in case of LED, it's glowing up. Okay, salts dissolved in water are responsible for the conduction of electricity through water. Tap water, acid solutions, basic solutions are the good conductor of electricity. Distilled water is a poor conductor of electricity because there is no salt present in distilled water. Now, after that, the conduction through liquids. Now we are going to know that test electrical conductivity of liquids. Place the two aluminum plates into the liquid tested. Okay, if the bulb lights up, a closed circuit is formed, allowing current to pass through it, and the liquid is a conductor of electricity. Okay, some liquids are the good conductor of electricity. What are they? Tap water, salt solution, hydrochloric, sodium hydroxide, all of these, and some of them are very poor conductors of electricity. They are distilled water, sugar solution, kerosene, spirit, etc. They are the poor conductors of electricity. Now, chemical effects of electric current. Students, from here our chapter is going to start. Till here we have to know about all the basic terms related to the electric current. So we have to know about that electric current, that we all know that what is current? The movement of electrons is current. Okay, what is electric circuit? In the current in the circuit in or the path in which electric current flows, that is our electric circuit. Okay, so in we all know that positively charged and negatively charged particles are present inside atoms also. So the positive charged particles are called protons and the negatively charged particles called electrons. Okay, so we all know about it, and after that we have to know about the direction of electric current. Okay, direction of electric current. So in that one we know about that when we are talking about the flow of conventional current. When we are talking about the flow of conventional current, that is from positive to negative, and when we are talking about the electronic current, to be from negative to positive. Okay, so they are the both types of current is there. After that, chemical effects of electric current.